Hello everyone, how are you doing? Zatiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix cursor freeze in Windows 11 solution tutorial. The first step is go to the start menu and right click and select device manager, or go to the start menu and search for device manager and hit enter and wait a moment. In this new window, go to mice and other pointing devices, expand this option and right click and select update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers and wait a moment and click on close and repeat this process with all connectors. Right click, update driver, the first option and click on close. PS2 compatible mouse, right click, update driver, select the first option. You can receive this message, the best drivers for your device already installed, click on close. And this is all. Click on close. And to apply the change, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. And enter your PIN or your password, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.